Hi, I'm Scott Whitmer with Round Grove Products. I want to take a little bit of time today and explain some of the features and options that are available to you with Round Grove Products. One of the things that I set out to do with the product is to make it as easily customizable as possible so that you can meet your customers' design criteria. So with that in mind, we have several features that you can change based on what your client wants. Beginning with the angle of the shoulder. You can have an angled shoulder that is very traditional. This is a 45-degree angle. You can specify this angle any degree that you want. We can taper these so it's a much more gentle transition up to the chimney, which is a timeless look. Or you can go with a rectangular shoulder as we have over here with this unit. Additionally, you could go with just a monolithic shoulder, no shoulder at all. It's just all the same width all the way up. So that's the first element that we really ask you about. How do you want to customize your product? Another element that we can customize is the firebox. Typically, we have two different styles. We have a rectangular version where we have a squared off corner at the top, and then additionally we have an arched version, and this is the standard that we typically build to. This is more of an eyebrow arch. We've also done radiuses, but those have some other elements that we need to consider when we're doing that. And then finally we have the hearth. A standard hearth would be 16 inches above grade and about 10 inches in depth. That allows you to put a capstone right there and come out even with the firebox. This unit is shown without a hearth, but you can specify the height and depth of the hearth that you want to have on your unit. That's a customizable feature that you can have. So those are the three standard features that are available that you can change throughout order to order: the shoulder shape, the firebox lintel, and the hearth. We also have a number of other features that you can change and create more options and more design capabilities, all within the same unit, all built in our factory and done. By the time it arrives to you, it's complete to your design spec. Here's another feature that you can choose how you want your product to be finished. A standard for us is to trowel everything smooth on the scratch coat. It's just rough enough for a cultured stone. But if you want a raked finish on that, we can also provide that at no extra charge. One of the design features that you can change on your Round Grove Products fireplace is the color of the fire brick. Standard is a buff color, and then we also have an option of a red color as well as a dark gray or black color. Additionally, you can change from the running bond pattern that we have here. You can have a herringbone pattern, or you can have a basket weave pattern. Each of those features is an upcharge, but it is a design option that you can choose from.
Yep.
Another one of the options that we can have on any of our fireplaces or combination units or brick ovens is the Chimney Cap Finish. I've got three examples here. The black is our standard, which comes on everything. You can also choose to have a copper finish or the stainless steel finish. There's a modest upcharge for those options, but that might be something that they have an element somewhere else in their backyard design that they want to match that metallic finish with. Again, this is another way that you can customize your Round Grove product order in order to meet your customers' design requirements.